Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the Google app and signing into your account. This gives full access to Google Images features. Once done, grant camera and photos permission so you can take or upload photos directly. Next, open the app and tap the Images tab or the lens camera icon. This is the only built-in way on iPhone to run an image search with uploads. Make sure the app is the foreground app. Otherwise, iOS will block quick camera or photo access. You now choose how to provide the image. Tap the camera, pick a photo from your library, or take a live shot. Picking a clear subject improves matches. Once you select the image, crop to the important area. This narrows results and avoids irrelevant pages. After cropping, press search. Google processes the image and returns visual matches, object labels, and related web pages. Make sure your network is stable, since the image is sent to Google servers for analysis. You finish by reviewing matches. Toggle between pages, shopping, and similar images to find the best context. If results are too broad, refine with a typed keyword, try a tighter crop, or upload a different angle to improve precision. If the camera icon is missing, check iPhone settings Google to enable camera and photos. If that fails, open Google. Com in Safari, request desktop site, and use the image search upload there as a fallback. That covers completion and the main.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.